What's up guys, it's me Jaden back with another video. And yeah, I changed my channel name to just Jaden for it to be simpler. But yeah, I haven't posted in a very long time, but now I'm back and we're gonna do some fishing stuff. We're gonna go on a fishing trip tomorrow. We have the worms in the fridge back right there. But yeah, I haven't posted in a while. I kind of gave up on it, but now I'm willing. Now I thought about it more, and yeah, I'm gonna do this channel. I'm trying to get at least 100 subscribers, maybe 50. But yeah, today we're gonna make some pack bait for carp. So right now we have breadcrumbs. We have, of course, corn. We have black cherry gelatin. We have strawberry jello. And then we got cornstarch over here. So you have to we're gonna mix it up in this big Ziploc bag. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh, hold on, wait. We need water. Okay, we have the water. And hold on. If you haven't already, remember to like, subscribe, turn on the bell to be notified when a new video comes out. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, guys. So I hope I don't mess this up because we can't get new ingredients since tomorrow is when we're gonna go fishing. So actually, hold on. Let me get something to elevate myself from the sea. Okay, guys. I don't really know what to add in first. How about, I guess the breadcrumbs, right? Yeah. Let's just. No, they don't smell. They don't smell anything, but put a bunch in there. Some more. That's good, I guess. Just eyeballing it. There's not that much directions on this, but okay. Let's put in our jello. Wait, actually, I think I have some right here. Yeah, this is from when I made jello using. Wait, this is what I made when I was making jello for catfish bait. Not cat bait. What the heck? Let's put a bunch in there. Yeah. Okay. Mix it all up in there. Mix it up. Hold on, let me mix this up real quick. Okay, guys, I just mixed those two ingredients. Let's add cornstarch. Oh, shoot. Hold on. That might be a bit too powdery. Let me just look something up. Okay, guys. Now, instead of cornstarch, we're gonna try flour instead because I searched it up and it said flour is better for pack bait. Now I don't know what I'm supposed to add first, the corn or the flour. Actually, I think I should be adding corn first. So let's just do that real quick. Where's the... Hold on, I need to find the can opener. Okay, guys, can opener. Ow! My finger. Let's open this corn up. Okay, guys, I got the corn open. I think. Can't get it. But I need a fork. Let me get it. There we go. Make sure there's no more corn. Just put that in there, I guess. Yeah, there's corn dookie water still in there. I think I might need to put more breadcrumbs and stuff. Can't believe I'm gonna be doing this with my own hands. Okay. Yep. Oh wait, this is looking good. Oh, it smells like so good, like the Kool-Aid and stuff like that. It's mixing together so good. The smell isn't that good, but like the Jello smell. There's still that stuff in the corner. Get out, guys. For this. I think I might need more water because this stuff you can't pack this Jello. The Jello. Oh, there's a lot of red right here. Why is that? Oh, that's probably because that's where I dumped all the corn water. Makes sense. There's still some. What the heck? Hold on, let me wash my hands. Guys, the Kool-Aid stained my fingers. They're red now. How is that even possible? Add some flour in there. I feel like I should be adding the water, then the flour. No, actually, never mind. And I feel like the flour is gonna stick to me more than it is gonna stick to the thing, but why not? Let's try. Okay. Dry my hands. Ready? Get ready. Oh, dude. Golly gee. Yeah, and you definitely need water to activate everything in here. It's okay if we add a bit too much water. You could just add more breadcrumbs. I feel like we don't have enough corn. There's barely any kernels in here. Okay. And then we're about to add the water. There we go. Have some water. I don't want it to be too liquidy. Mix that around. This needs to be liquid enough that it's packable. This is looking really good, guys. This is my first time making pack bait. And so far, it's packable. Ah! The 3 dance, guys. The 3 dance. Okay, hold on. We're about to discuss some stuff here, guys. Okay, one. I feel like it could be a bit more packable. And another, I feel like it's a bit too sticky. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a bit more breadcrumbs in here. And yeah, a bit more corn because there's not that much corn. Let's do that. How much time? Oh, it's only been 5 minutes. It's a video. There we go. There we go. Just add some more flour now. On top of that. There we go. Yeah. Okay, now let's mix this, guys. Let me sit back in my chair so you guys can see a bit better. I'm kind of just like crunching it, like grabbing it with my arms. My hands, not my arms. Like, I need it to be packable enough that I can put it around my waist. Yeah, put it around my waist. Oh yeah, this is perfect, guys. It's like Play-Doh. Look at that. It's like a dookie. That's perfect. That's perfect, guys. This is beautiful. Like this. This is it. This is the stuff right here. But I feel like it's a bit too packy. I'm gonna search up how to make it like a bit less packable. I know that's what we want, but like it's a bit too packable. Hold on, let me just. Okay, guys. So here's the pack bait. It's good. It's really good, actually. It's my first time making pack bait, so I don't know that much. But I say that this came out pretty good. This came out better than I expected it would be. So one downside I think that I might have done is I added a bit too much corn. Like there's a bunch of extra corn here, but that's okay. I mean that's more corn for the carp. But yeah, so tune in to the next episode. Next video, next fishing video, to see this pack bait in action. Yeah. Remember to like if you haven't already, subscribe, and turn on the bell to be notified when a new video comes out. See you guys.